Welcome students. Today we are going to start chapter 6 from English Literature Reader, Stolen Bacillus. The author of this chapter is H.G. Wells. Herbert George Wells is a British writer and social reformer. He is a prolific writer of science fiction novels, books on history, politics, and social commentary. The Stolen Bacillus is a famous short story published in 1895. He is often called as the father of science fiction. His notable works were The Outline of History, The Time Machine, The Invisible Man, The War of the Worlds, The Island of Dr. Moreau, The First Man in the Moon, The Shape of Things to Come, When the Sleeper Wakes, etc. Quite fancifully apocalyptic in tone, his later works are increasingly political and didactic. He was an outspoken socialist inclined towards pacifist views. His most consistent political ideal was the world state. He stated in his autobiography that from 1900 onwards, he considered a world state inevitable. He envisioned the state to be a planned society that would advance science and nationalism and allow people to progress by merit rather than birth. So let's move on to the summary of the chapter. So this story is about the bacteriologist who has a visitor to his laboratory, a pale stranger who arrives with a letter of introduction from a good friend of the scientist. The scientist shows his visitor the cholera bacillus under a microscope and they talk about the disease. The visitor is particularly interested in a vial containing living bacteria and the scientist describes the power of cholera, saying, "What a terrible epidemic could be caused if a tube such as the one he holds were to be opened into the water supply." The scientist's wife calls him away for a moment. When the scientist returns, the visitor is ready to leave. As soon as the visitor has gone, the scientist realizes the vial of bacteria is missing, that the visitor must have stolen it. He runs out in a panic and hails another cab to give chase, and his wife follows in a third cab with her husband's shoes and coat and hat. So this much for today. In our next class, we'll be doing the next part of the chapter. Till then, stay at home, be safe. Thank you.